What's the dilly? About to feed these hounds. It's getting late, but the puppies need food. We got a little hunk of chunk. They eating raw. They on a raw diet. Raw diggity dog. Got some beef. We're gonna smush it up. It's 4 weeks old. They're eating now. Introduce a little hard next week. Right now, they're gonna stay raw only with some meat. We'll push it on out. Alright, you see this? You wanna make sure you push it towards the edge so they can reach it so they ain't all, cause you know puppies like to climb all in the food and shit. So boom, that's ready. Then, we're gonna make some puppy milk. Now pay attention. This is a very complicated process. You have to get this just right. 1, 2. Goat's milk. I got a little secret. Some of this right here. For all animals. Huh? Boom. I add a little something else in there. But y'all don't pay me enough to see that just yet. And then, I'm gonna add a raw egg, and I'm gonna blend it up. Cut the tape, come to the next section. Can't find good help these days, fired the cameraman. Raw diggity dog. Puppies. Watch out now, watch out. Eat. It's time to eat. It's time to eat. Get on in there. Good. Get on in there. There you go. Yeah, time to clean this cage. 1 day's worth of work right here. Let's relax. There we go. What they don't finish, you let the mom come in and eat up the rest. It's good for her. But they should finish all this. Whole milk and all the meat. That's what you do, man. Raw dog, raw feeding these hounds. You already know how feast kennels is how we do. What's up? You already saw them eat. I'm gonna give them a little bit more beef. Now you see that? They're taking a little nap, taking a little sleepy sleep. We're gonna give them a little beefy beef because they like it raw, dog. Let's see who smells it first. Puppies, come eat. Come eat. Teach your dogs, that's how you start early. That's how you teach them. Come on. Come eat some food. Someone's got it. 2 got it. Come on. Wake up. Uh-oh. 3. You gonna come? You gonna come? He's gonna watch. They're taking a nap. Might be a little too much for him right now. Come on, big fella. Hello, mama. Dinner is served. More like afternoon snack. They're dogs. They have canine teeth. If there were no humans, what would dogs eat? Maybe they would make them a nice cornmeal, like most of you feed them in your dog food. A nice stirred up, mashed, ground turkey meal with a little rice and potatoes. No. They'd be eating cats, birds, possums, deers, pigs, people. Dag nabbit. They got canine teeth for a reason. Feed your dog some meat, man. Look at them. They love it. And it's also good just in case somebody breaks into your house. Hit them over the head with a frying pan. Ping! They wake up in a dog pit. Pour a little gravy on them. Cut little carrots. A little pink salt. And they gonna get eaten by these dogs. They don't even like laughter. Eat, eat, eat. Look at them. Spread out. That's how you know it's good, when you can just stretch your ass on out. Alright guys, 4 weeks old. Tuesday they'll be 5 weeks old, getting some shots. We're gonna have another video for that. Puppy vaccinations coming in. Looking good, getting big. Tails came out perfect. Heads, bones, bodies. The whole litter sold. You missed out. Should have hit me up. Next time, save your stimulus checks, because more litters coming. I kept my picks. I only end up keeping 1 female and 2 males out this litter. The next litter, I should have never sold her. Somebody, he got lucky on this one. He got lucky. I might give him a refund. This is a good looking girl, but we'll see. Puppy contracts, puppy papers, everything's in the making. When the puppy papers get here, we'll release the name of the new breed. And going down in history as a forefather. As a forefather of a dog company. Follow me on Iron King, Hafiz Kennels, making history. Cut the tape. You're one of a kind dog, you understand me? Only place you gonna find these dogs, you understand me? Yeah. Where my dogs at? Where my dogs at?